Welcome back, trading fam. It's Trader Z, still trading, trying to catch this trade right here. 138 up. Yeah, still trading using the strategy, trying to make it better and better every time, Trying to, like, if I lose a trade, I try and catch it back as soon as possible. Yeah, trying to get that better, trying to make that better. So the 7th July, which is a Wednesday, 1:35 in the morning. Just trying to catch a little trading before I go to bed. Um, so let's see how it goes. We're looking at the Euro USD, the Euro GBP, and the Australian USD. So let's see what happens. Let's look at some other markets. For a 2-hour view of the market, these candles are really long. These candles are really long. So it looks like it's going to go down here, so I'm gonna go 140 down. Let's see where we are here. Okay, looks like we're gonna lose this trade. Let's look at Australian USD. Okay, it might cross, so we're going 139. Okay, it didn't cross. I'm gonna go 140 up, because it generally has that, like, from here, higher high, low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So I think it's gonna go up here in a few minutes. So let's see where we are here. Euro USD looks like we're gonna look. It's drawing right now. Well, yeah. So we have 15 seconds left. Just go above. Just go above. Go above. Go above my level. Looks like I'm gonna lose here. So set that coefficient to 28. Set the investment to 28 using the coefficient. And let's hunt for another trade. Okay, this has gone horribly wrong again on another. Okay, no, no. So all my trades are going bad. Okay. Let's see if I can save myself on that one, because that's definitely lost. Now, if I won the two of them with a massive fluke, that would be nice too. So if I win this trade, lose the bottom one and win the top one, I will win back the $10 that I lost, but I would still have lost this $10, the bottom bet. So need to keep those things into consideration. I've already lost $10. This would be $20, and this would be $48. So let's see how the Australian USD is doing. It's finally climbed, turned like I said it would, and let's hope that it stays up there. Just stay up there and don't make me have to worry about another loss. So that's 48. So $48, and use the coefficient, and we're trying to win back our money and a little profit. So if this loses, I need to go back, and it's probably an hour or so. Okay, so I won and I lost. I lost $38 there. So Yeah, that coefficient is alright. I just need to choose the right positioning. This is going to need, this might continue on an uptrend for 142, 143, sorry, and go up. Why I said up here is because that bottom Bollinger Band right there is bent so much. So it's okay, it's not bent that much now, but it was bent so hard there. That's why I went to the call trade. We have 1 minute and 45 seconds left on this trade. I'm gonna look somewhere else. This looks like it's coming back down. Gonna go 146. No, 145 down. Because those three candles right there at the end are really tall. They had the same strength as these candles, which are, small. So I think the reversal is coming right there. Oh, sorry about that. Here, what did I trade? I traded up. Okay, and it looks good. So it looks good for now. This is a 2-hour window. It's a 1-hour window. It looks good. So maybe I win this. And this one is turning. So it looks like I'm gonna start winning now. Takes a little while to get your sea legs, matey. Yeah, it takes a little while to get your sea legs. As I make a joke, that slaps me in the face. That's not good. But I have a trade on 8 seconds. Okay, that's clear. That looks very nice, unless some mysterious drop in the market knocks me out here. Yeah, so that's good. Let's take that off and go back to the 1-hour view. You are not falling like how I said, but I have 1 more minute. So all I need for this candle to do is get very weak, and then a red candle forms, and then I win my trade. Looking at another market, Euro GBP, looking at Euro USD. Looks like the market's gonna bend here, so I'm gonna go with probably the same 134. Oh, it dipped, it dipped, it dipped, it dipped. Going to call. As you notice, this is the only trade that I've done on the next minute. I always like to, have a little time. But as you see in the market from here, it's been down little, down small. It's not been going, past this level here. Um, Let me try something. Horizontal line, apply. See there. See, even if I include the wicks, there, it hasn't passed that in the past, what, 20 odd minutes, from 115 to 145. Yeah, that's like half an hour. It has passed there. So I was just looking for a call trade there, and it worked out. How do I get off this? I should put active tools. Oh, take a million years, why don't you? Yeah, and then the line, and delete the line. Yeah, so it hasn't passed there. So, and I hope this is gonna win. I have another trade. Come on, man. Come on, Australian USD. What you gonna do? Draw me? Okay, I got a draw and I got a win and I'm in profit. So now I can go back to $10 and start back again. is $1 in reality. $10 in practice is $1 in reality. And practice amount up there is not 51 in reality. It is $4,158 52 cents. So yeah, we're just working in the pre in the premise that 10,000 was just like given to you, and then you were able to make some profit off of it. So we're just on the premise of that 10,000 would be zero. Somebody gave you the money, so you just started. And then in reality, we don't be using $1, so that makes everything cut down by 1 decimal point. So that's how we're trading with this practice account right now. So let's look at the Euro GBP. Let's see what's happening. Okay, look at this. It's from here, it was touching the Bollinger Band. It got a little weak. It touched it again, and now it's weak again. So this indicates that it's gonna go down in a few minutes. So I'm gonna say 149. No, yeah, 149 down. Please log me in when it's decent. Okay. And here now, what are we looking at? We're looking at something to cross the 50 going under, but look on the RSI, it hasn't really gone under the 50 that much, you know. The past 3 times it's gone under the 50, it hasn't gone that much. So I know this is the end. Look at that big. So I'm gonna go 150 up. Because based on previous data, you know, here here was the lowest it dipped. It dipped under the 50 there. It dipped under the 50 there. Sorry. And it dipped under the 50 there. It didn't go under the 50 that much. So you see, I put my trade up. It's already gone over it. RSI strategy is so understandable. You just have to understand. You have to watch some videos on YouTube about candle strength, Hekinashi candles, and regular candles. You need to use candles. You can't use a wave. I wouldn't be able to. Sorry, wrong thing. Oh no, I don't think it's the wrong thing. Yeah, wrong thing. I wouldn't be able to use this with a wave. I don't think so. See, the RSI is all flipped up and foolish, you know, flipped up and stupid. So I don't think I'd be able to use this on a wave. It works better with the regular Hakinashi candles. You put Hakinashi down here, you check that, and you don't use auto scaling. I think I don't use auto scaling, I'm not sure. Auto scaling is like it scales it for you according to the time period that you're viewing. I don't like that. So I just like one, you know, one layout. Don't scale it for me. I'll scale it myself according to the time period. So this looks like it's gonna win. This has 1 minute left. It's going sour. So it looks like I'm gonna win one and lose one, which is counterproductive. No, it's not. Wait. Let me see. Is it counterproductive? Yes, it is, because I lose $10 and win $7.6. So that's counterproductive. But coefficient and this is kind of hard to read. It's so powerful on the downtrend, but it's been there for a while. So what should I do? What should I do? I run out of time on this candle. Look at another market. Euro GBP. It looks like it bounced off to 50 there. Looks like it's going to bounce off to 50 there. So I'm gonna go 153 and go call. So I lost that $10. So I'm in the losses by $2.40. Yeah, $2.40. But if this trade wins, I will get $21, so $2.40 would be something like $18.82, something like that. Something like that. So let's see what happens. We're going for the win. Let's go for the win, people. View another market. See, it got weak. It got weak, but I don't know what to do yet until I see a weaker candle than that. Let's zoom out to 1 hour. I get a better view. Yeah, when I'm at 1 hour out. Like an artist, you have to look further, to see the bigger picture. You can't just focus on 15 minutes. You're not gonna get a lot of information from this. You go 30, you get a little bit more information, and now you can see the whole city. So I like a 1 hour view. All right, it's bounced off the 50. As you can see, it hasn't been under the 50 a lot. I explained that a little while ago. So gonna go up in the next 3 minutes. It must hold more than 3 green candles. I mean, come on. I said up long time ago. You're gonna make me put my trade in 2 times. Okay, it finally went in, and I hope we don't put another one right there. Let's go back to Euro GBP. Yeah, looking good, but it's going into consolidation, so I'm through. I have how many? What's this? I have 1 minute and 3 seconds left, so hopefully it's not gonna kill me in consolidation. But it's looking good. This one still looking good, going into consolidation as well. Euro USD, trend change, waiting for it to cross the 50. It could easily bounce off, although it's the same thing like the Australian USD. It hasn't been under the 50 that much, so this one really went under the 50. This last one here, I mean these candles, it really went under the 50 here. So we want to see it probably, change up in the market, right before the hour. It will probably hit that 50 and bounce off and go down again. That's my prediction for the Euro USD. Not ready to play it yet. Okay, 7 seconds left. Please just stay there. Just stay there so that I can win this trade and get back my $3 profit. So not $3 profit, but my $3 that I lost. My $2.40 that I lost. So no, sorry. I lost. Yeah, the $2.40 that I lost. So I won that one. That's great. And this one now going into consolidation, I said something like it's gonna get really small. So I hope that it really moves slow. And how far am I there? How many minutes do I have here? 1 minute and like 20 seconds now. Okay, we've been recording for nearly 20 minutes. We're at 18 minutes 30 seconds now, so I need to finish up these trades. Okay, this is the time when this is the Euro USD, and this is the time when it's going to probably hit that 50 and drop. So that's my prediction. Look at that big tall green candle just to bring it up to the 50. It crossed it. Okay, it crossed it, but it can still just do something like over here when it crossed it a little bit and then it went back. So I'm just looking for it to drop. I'm not going any higher. I'm not gonna trade for anything higher than this. I'm not looking for any higher movement than that right now. This looking good, even though it's in consolidation. That's looking good. Euro USD again. Let's just keep our eyes on this for a little. Okay, let's go back to Australia. We need to watch the live trade. It's more important than something than a movement, especially when it's so low. Okay, that's good. It's touched the Bollinger line and it looks like it's going higher. So 7 seconds off. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Winner. Oh, my battery is almost dead. I'm using a phone, remember? um, using an Android device. Oh, Euro USD, what's gonna happen? It's gonna drop. Oh, it dropped really hard there, but we're still going down. We're still trading down. Come on, put in my trade. And we have some time for it to recover and everything. I hope it drops like a stone in water so that I can just sell it. I'll just sell it early and end the video, you know. I'm in profit right now. Even if I lose this trade, I'm in profit, but I like to finish the last, the last trade should be a win so that when I come back on the next video, I don't have to worry about how much I lost or whatever like that. So I'm more or less safe than sorry person. Optimistic, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. Yeah, that's optimistic. Yeah, that's an optimistic view. Rather be safe than sorry. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, it turned. You know, you have to see after you watch the market for a while, it becomes kind of predictable. I don't know if this is because it's a practice account or whatever, but if I switch to, oh man, it's if I switch to my real account, it's still the same. It's the same behavior, same, you know. Switch to my practice account, same thing. So I do the same thing when I have some money on it. I have put money on it before and lost, but I didn't have this strategy, so I haven't tested this strategy live. So if you guys want to support me, support me. I'm gonna put my PayPal information up soon. I haven't been able to get a PayPal account yet. I think it's because of my country, but I'm not sure. So I'm trying to get the PayPal account sorted out. And we're in the final 30 seconds of the trade. You'll see it pop up now. Yeah, 7 popped up for some weird reason, and I don't know why that is going up now. That 30 seconds shoot, I don't know what that is. Every time you put in a trade and 30 seconds comes around, it shoots up like, it shoots in one direction. I call that the false signal, but I'm not sure if it's really false. 4 seconds left and I'm gonna draw. Oh my god, I'm losing now. I'm losing. Oh, they killed my trade. I'm glad I got that recorded. Everybody can see how they scam me. What a scam. Anyway, let's see what's happening on the other markets. This is going up, 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 up. Not something to follow. It's too late to follow now. Okay, I have a way to get back my money. 202. Coefficient. Down. Reason why I did that. One candle got it from here on the RSI. Sorry, here. Oh man, my finger. Here on the RSI to here on the RSI. One candle did all of that strength. Okay, imagine. Let me put it into context. This candle, these 3 green candles made an up movement that went over the 50. These 3 red candles made a down that went equal level on the RSI, down movement back to here, basically where it started here. So this went up over, this went down to the same level where it started at, and then this one green candle pushed it all the way. So I knew that something fishy is there. The strength is just gone, it's the same breath, the same breathing breath that I was talking about in the previous video. So nearly 25 minutes gone in the video. I need to win this trade. Um, it's the breath. It's the breath. The breath that the market takes to now, like it's going to bring it back. It's trend down now, so it needs that little up break, and then it can move further down, you know. So it's like lower highs, lower lows. Yeah. Mm-mm. What this now is just playing around with me. It's doing the same game. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna go crazy. I just put 3 down trades right there. So we're at 313 right now. That was just a huge candle. 313.60 coefficient. Mm-mm. That was just too big to ignore. So even if the next candle is green, I doubt it's gonna shoot up that high and end the minute that high. So those 3 trades that I put up there should be really doing good now. It's so far, the price is so far away. So I'm only getting $10. Oh, okay, per. Sorry. Getting $10 per, $12 per, and I'm losing that one. Wait, no, it's winning now. It's supposed to be winning now. Why hasn't it changed? But anyway, it's slow. It's slow. That's why it hasn't changed, because on this phone is very slow. So I doubt it's the app. I think it's the phone completely. So okay, now it's losing. Now that first trade is losing, but I still have 3 up there that's winning. So my profit will be $100. That doesn't look right. Well, profit is $100. Okay. Okay, no problem. Profit is profit. And I finished. I last trade one. So you know what to do, trading fam. Please like, subscribe, and share. PayPal info will soon be up for all the good souls that want to sponsor my trading. And this is Trader Z, straight from Jamaica. I'm out.